Stop saying, I think too much. Americans don't say that. If you say, I think too much, people will be confused. The correct way is, I'm overthinking it. Say it. I'm overthinking it.
Exactly. Not I think too much. That sounds like you're just thinking a lot. But I'm overthinking it means you're thinking too much about one thing and it's stressing you out.
Right. So if your American friend says, Are you okay? Don't say, I think too much. Say, Sorry, I'm overthinking it.
Perfect. Let's practice that together today.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Speaklio English. I'm Naomi, and this is my co host.
I'm Nate, and today we're teaching you how to talk about overthinking in English, real English, the kind Americans actually use every day.
Because if you're learning English, you probably overthink sometimes, right? Like, did I say that word correctly? Or was my grammar wrong?
Oh, totally. And Americans talk about overthinking all the time, at work, with friends, and relationships, so you need to know these phrases.
And here's the good news the phrases are super simple. You just need to learn them once and practice.
So if this sounds helpful, subscribe to Speaklio English. We help you speak real, natural English with confidence. Hit that subscribe button right now.
Okay, let's start. First phrase I'm overthinking it.
So why do learners make this mistake? Why do they say, I think too much?
Because in their language, that's how you say it. Like in Spanish, you might say pienso mucho. In French, je pense trop. It translates directly to I think too much.
Right, but in American English, that sounds weird. If you say, I think too much, Americans might think, okay, so you're smart, you think a lot.
Exactly. It doesn't sound like a problem, but overthinking is a problem. It's when you can't stop thinking about something and it makes you stressed or anxious.
Yes, so the correct phrase is, I'm overthinking it, or just, I'm overthinking.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm overthinking it.
Good. Now say it faster. I'm overthinking it.
Perfect. One more time with confidence. I'm overthinking it.
Awesome. Now you sound like a native speaker.
Okay, let's use it in a real situation. Imagine you're at work. You sent an email to your boss. Now you're worried. Did I say the right thing? Was it too formal, too casual?
Oh, I hate that feeling.
Right? So your coworker asks, Hey, are you okay? You look stressed.
And you can say, yeah, I'm fine. I'm just overthinking this email I sent.
Perfect. I'm just overthinking this email. That's natural. That's real English.
Let's practice that. Say it with me. I'm just overthinking this email.
Great. Another example. You're texting a friend. You sent a message 2 hours ago. No reply. Now you're worried. Did I say something wrong?
Oh no, I do this all the time.
Me too. So your roommate sees you staring at your phone and says, What's wrong?
You can say, nothing, I'm just overthinking a text.
Yes, I'm just overthinking a text. So simple, so natural.
Say it with us. I'm just overthinking a text.
Okay, here's the next phrase. This one is super common. Don't overthink it.
Ooh, yes. Americans say this all the time.
Don't overthink it means stop worrying so much. Just relax. It's not that serious.
It's like friendly advice. Like, hey, calm down. You're stressing for no reason.
Exactly. Let's practice. Say it. Don't overthink it.
Good. Now say it like you're giving advice to a friend. Don't overthink it.
Perfect. Let's use it in real life.
Okay, imagine your friend is nervous about a job interview tomorrow. They keep saying, what if I say the wrong thing? What if they don't like me?
You can say, Hey, relax. Don't overthink it. Just be yourself.
Yes, don't overthink it. Just be yourself. That's so supportive.
Another example. Your friend is choosing what to wear to a party. They try on 5 different outfits. They ask, Does this look okay?
You can say, you look great. Don't overthink it.
Perfect. Don't overthink it. So easy.
Let's practice together. Say it. Don't overthink it.
Nice. One more time with feeling. Don't overthink it.
Awesome, you got it.
Okay, next phrase. This one is great. You're overthinking it.
Oh, this is when you're telling someone else that they're overthinking.
Exactly. You're overthinking it. It's like, dude, relax. It's not that complicated.
Right. Let's say your friend is worried about what to order at a restaurant. They keep asking, is this healthy? Is this too expensive?
You can laugh and say, you're overthinking it. Just get what you want.
Yes, you're overthinking it. That's perfect.
Another example. Your friend sent a birthday message to their crush. Now they're panicking. Was it too much? Should I have used a different emoji?
You can say, stop, you're overthinking it. That was a nice message.
Perfect. You're overthinking it. Let's practice. Say it. You're overthinking it.
Great. Now say it like you're calming down a friend. You're overthinking it.
Excellent. Okay, here's a bonus phrase. This one is amazing. I tend to overthink things.
Ooh, I love this one. I tend to overthink things.
Tend to means you have a habit of doing something. So I tend to overthink things means I usually overthink. It's my personality.
Right. It's like, I know I do this. It's just who I am.
Let's practice. Say it slowly. I tend to overthink things.
Good. Now say it naturally. I tend to overthink things.
Perfect. Okay, let's use it. Imagine you're on a first date. You're nervous. You keep worrying. Am I talking too much? Did I order the wrong thing?
Your date notices and says, hey, are you okay?
You can laugh and say, yeah, sorry. I tend to overthink things.
Aw, that's honest and relatable. I tend to overthink things.
Another example, you're in therapy or talking to a friend about stress. They ask, why are you so anxious?
You can say, I don't know, I just tend to overthink things.
Yes, that's real. That's natural English.
Let's practice together. Say it. I tend to overthink things.
Awesome. One more time. I tend to overthink things.
You sound great.
Okay, one more phrase before we recap. This one is super useful. Stop overthinking everything.
Oh, yes. Stop overthinking everything. This is stronger. It's like, seriously, you need to relax.
Right. Everything makes it bigger, like you're overthinking every little detail.
Let's practice. Say it. Stop overthinking everything.
Good. Now say it like you're giving tough advice. Stop overthinking everything.
Perfect.
Okay, let's use it. Imagine your friend is planning a small birthday party, but they're stressing about every detail: the music, the food, the decorations.
You can say, dude, relax. Stop overthinking everything. People just want to hang out.
Yes, stop overthinking everything. That's caring but direct.
Another example, your friend is writing an email and they keep rewriting it. They ask, does this sound okay? What about this word?
You can say, it's fine. Stop overthinking it and just send it.
Perfect. Stop overthinking everything. Let's practice. Say it with me. Stop overthinking everything.
Nice. One more time. Stop overthinking everything.
Great job.
Okay, quick recap. Let's review all the phrases we learned today.
First, I'm overthinking it, not I think too much.
Second, don't overthink it. This is advice for someone else.
Third, you're overthinking it, telling someone else that they're overthinking.
Fourth, I tend to overthink things. This is your habit.
And fifth, stop overthinking everything. Strong advice.
Those 5 phrases will help you sound natural and confident when you talk about overthinking.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. We want to hear from you.
Here's your homework. Go to the comments right now and write one sentence using one of these phrases.
For example, you can write, I tend to overthink things before exams.
Or you can write, my friend is always overthinking, so I tell them to relax.
We'll read your comments, we'll reply, and we'll help you practice.
And remember, learning English is about practice, not perfection. Don't overthink it, just try.
You're doing great. Every time you practice, you get better.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button. It helps other learners find us.
And if you want more lessons like this, subscribe to Speaklio English. We post new videos every week to help you speak real, natural English.
Click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson.
We believe in you. You can speak confident English. Just keep practicing with us.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video. Keep speaking, keep learning, and remember,
Don't overthink it.
bye!
Bye.